No, I don't have cable, but I'm willing and able to watch what's on your mind. I find I waste my time the best when I lose.
Hi, good morning. I'm Shivangi and welcome to a What I Eat in a Day. If I'm able to film it properly, that is. It's currently 10 AM and I woke up around 10 minutes ago. I have been sipping on this. It's just a jar of water. Usually I mix some apple cider vinegar, but we ran out of it yesterday, so I'm just gonna drink this plain water, and you also drink some water too. So yeah, drink it with me. And I am also going to make some overnight oats right now, which are not going to be overnight because obviously I'm going to make them now and have it like a few hours later. I am literally not even kidding. It's been like 6 to 7 months of me being on YouTube, and I still feel weird when I'm talking to the camera, you know. I mean, technically I'm talking to you guys, but y'all know what I mean, right? Y'all do. This specific creation I would like to name the Strawgosen bowl. Why? Well, see, straw for strawberry, go for mango, and sun for sunshine. I haven't really seen these flavors being mixed together a lot, but trust me, it works. I started by roughly chopping a mango, and then to a bowl I added some rolled oats, chia seeds, yogurt, and water. Need a bit of you every time I drink, like a To this mixture, I added my mango and my strawberry protein powder. Now this is what gives it that strawberry hint without actually adding the strawberry. A lot of y'all keep asking me which protein powder I use. Well, I use My Protein, not sponsored. I really enjoy the taste of it and also how it goes with both raw and cooked dishes. I highly recommend. Headed for the limelight, ain't just hype. Okay, back to the oatmeal. I put the oats in the fridge for about 2.5 hours. If you have time, I suggest keeping it for longer, but I was just really hungry, so I took it out early. I topped it off with some peanut butter and some mixed seeds. Now, if I had to give this a flavor profile, I would say this is like a sweet, tangy but not sour bowl of deliciousness. You get the sweetness from the mango, the protein and vanilla flavor drops, and the tang from the mango as well as the yogurt, and all of this combined is just perfect.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad.
For lunch, oh yeah, I put it on my thumbnail, didn't I? I actually put everything on my thumbnail, so y'all already know what I'm having. But okay, let's just pretend y'all don't know it. For lunch, I made some sushi. Let me tell you something.
Promise I am not your end now.
Before this day, I used to think I couldn't roll a sushi properly, but now I know all I lacked in my life was a sushi mat. So my mom and I went grocery shopping and I found a mat, and I honestly didn't know how important a mat is when it comes to making sushi, because I just thought, oh, I can just roll it with my hands and it'll work, and maybe it does work for some people, but not me. Definitely not me. So before you see me make a beautiful sushi roll, watch me cut some veggies. I finally chopped some cucumbers, carrots, capsicum, some raw mango and paneer. And before y'all come at me saying the slices aren't thin enough, well, they're fine to me, okay?
Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want.
After some slicing and chopping, I took out my sushi rice from the pressure cooker and then prepped it with some rice vinegar, sugar and salt. I am literally obsessed with sushi rice. The texture is just so on point. I could have this mixture just as it is. I don't even need like the nori and the veggies. I can just have it like that. It's just so good. A friendly piece of advice for me: if you have money to spend on nori, then please never ever get them from Amazon. I have ordered nori from Amazon for around 6, 7, 8 times, more than that probably, and not once have they come fully intact. Some part is just always broken, some part is just always crushed, and I get it, maybe you're going through something, but I don't know. I mean, I don't deserve it.
No matter how our lives will be,
I'll tell you, I won't tell you to leave. Yeah, I'll keep on standing here. I'm hopeful, so hopeful, dear. Yeah, it's true, I'm falling. Yeah, it's true, I'm falling for you. Yeah, it's true, I got it.
Once I was done cutting my sushi roll into bite-sized pieces, I plated it all together and added a side of soy sauce. That looks stunning and it tasted absolutely incredible. So freaking good.
Be here with me, with me, with me, with me.
For dinner, I wanted some pizza and I just wasn't in the mood to make a lot of efforts, so I asked my mom to make me a roti, and then on top of that, I spread some pizza sauce, leftover marinated paneer tikka, some corn, black olives, and finally some cheese.
Every day, no, I'm not okay. I just wanna say, I need affection. Doesn't matter.
I baked it in the oven on a high for around 10 minutes, and this is how they turned out. Thin, crusty, cheesy, flavorful, yum.
I need affection. Doesn't matter what you say, 'cause now that I don't have.
So that was everything I ate this day. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.